Hey friends! Car Bluetooth adapters in 2026 enable wireless music, phone calls, and seamless connectivity for safer daily driving experiences. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car Bluetooth adapters in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the SyncWire Bluetooth Transmitter Car Adapter. This Bluetooth 5.4 adapter elevates your driving experience with both style and impressive functionality. Its humanized ambient light switch lets you enjoy a vibrant rainbow glow inside your cabin, which can be easily toggled off with a quick double press of the red B button. Beyond aesthetics, the cutting-edge technology delivers lightning-fast, ultra-stable connections with virtually no sound loss. Initial pairing takes just 1 second, and it automatically reconnects every time you start your vehicle. Advanced CVC noise suppression and echo cancellation guarantee crystal-clear conversations and smooth streaming. Additionally, it supports USB stick playback up to 64 GB, expanding your media options. With dual PD36W and USB A12W ports, it safely fast charges 2 devices simultaneously, completely protected against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. Enhanced by high-fidelity deep bass, it provides immersive, dynamic audio for every road trip. Next up, our second product, the Comsoon Bluetooth Receiver for Car. This compact 5.0 receiver is an incredibly versatile solution for transforming non-Bluetooth stereos, home speaker setups, or wired headphones into modern wireless systems. You simply plug it in via the included 3.5mm AUX pin, pair it with your smartphone, and instantly enjoy stable, high-speed streaming with fantastic signal range. Equipped with advanced DSP and CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, it delivers pristine audio by aggressively filtering out background interference like traffic, wind, and crowds. The integrated microphone and one-touch multifunction button make managing hands-free calls and GPS navigation incredibly safe and effortless. Battery life is stellar, offering up to 16 hours of continuous playtime, and it fully recharges in just 2.5 hours using a Type-C cable. It even supports simultaneous dual-device connection, meaning you can stream music from a tablet and seamlessly take a call from your phone without manually unpairing. Coming in at number 3, the Elabeth Retractable Car Charger Adapter. This highly versatile 4-in-1 accessory is the ultimate solution for rapid, clutter-free charging on the go. Featuring broad multi-protocol support, including PD, QC 3.0, AFC, and FCP, it efficiently powers up the latest devices, from the newest iPhone series to the latest Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel models. It combines dual traditional USB-A and USB-C ports with an innovative built-in retractable cable system. 2 highly durable cables extend up to 80 cm and automatically retract for neat, tangle-free storage when not in use. Smart charging chips ensure optimal power delivery while guarding against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Its robust design sits securely in standard 12V to 24V cigarette lighter sockets, maintaining a steady connection even on extremely bumpy roads. Perfect for long drives or daily commutes, it brilliantly marries fast charging performance with exceptional cabin organization. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the ONN upgraded 2026 Bluetooth Car FM transmitter. This upgraded model is a phenomenal addition for safer, more convenient media control in older vehicles. It features a bright, adjustable 1.44-inch LCD display mounted on a flexible gooseneck, making it effortless to monitor incoming calls, FM frequencies, and car battery voltage at a quick glance. Powered by dependable Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures rapid pairing and a rock-solid connection for seamless music streaming and turn-by-turn navigation without frustrating lag. Thanks to advanced noise cancellation hardware, both audio playback and conversations remain crisp and clear, even when driving at highway speeds. It stands out in versatility, supporting multiple inputs including Bluetooth, microSD, and standard AUX. Furthermore, its dual USB ports enable fast, simultaneous charging for your smartphone or GPS unit. Fully compatible with 12V and 24V sockets, it is a brilliantly functional driving companion for cars, SUVs, and heavy-duty trucks alike. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Sonra Bluetooth AUX adapter for car. This premium device leverages cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.3 technology to bring zero-latency wireless convenience to any traditional wired audio system. Compared to older iterations, the 5.3 chip guarantees exceptionally fast pairing, zero audio dropout, and zero loss in fidelity, making your streaming experience remarkably smooth. It features built-in high-quality microphones paired with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation to expertly isolate your voice from cabin echoes and road noise, ensuring absolute clarity during phone conversations. One of its standout features is an impressive battery capacity. A quick 1.5-hour charge yields up to 16 hours of continuous playback, and it fully supports operation while plugged in. With a working range of 33 feet and the ability to link two separate devices simultaneously, it's an ideal audio upgrade for car stereos, home entertainment setups, and even in-flight entertainment. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.